Biodiversity and humanity are interconnected. The loss of biodiversity and the threat of global warming pose a great challenge to the survival of mankind. Recognition of this reality, especially among leaders of our society, is what led to the development of ANUKWE. ANUKWE will be a holistic destination for training, reflection, meditation, and awareness, located within a tropical rainforest setting full of perennial trees. With the help and support of experienced ecologists, visitors will have the opportunity to connect with the surroundings and the self, thereby developing a richer awareness of the importance of protecting biodiversity.
Here we are in the middle of the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta in Colombia, which is in the top of the Andes Mountains in South America. And as you may see, it's just a beautiful place. It's wonderful in terms of the nature, in terms of the animals, in terms of all the indigenous culture that has been built during the last centuries. And this is what we want to protect. This is what we want to do here. We want to reforest. We want to also invite people to come and try to create a center where people can discuss, can be trained, can also talk about how can we together build up more consciousness and awareness related with environment and also climate change.
This project will be developed in the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta. The Sierra Nevada is a mountain range in northern Colombia that is also the starting point of the Andes Mountains, which run through South America. Its peak altitude at 18,700 feet and close proximity to the Caribbean coast make the Sierra Nevada one of the world's highest coastal ranges. In 1979, UNESCO designated the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta National Natural Park as a biosphere reserve. A 2013 report by the International Union for Conservation of Nature on the world's most irreplaceable protected areas identified this very park as the most irreplaceable zone in the world for threatened species. To date, deforestation has impacted 70% of the Sierra Nevada, the result of agricultural development of livestock, corn, and coffee crops. This statistic is particularly disturbing given that Colombia is the second most biodiverse country in the world, hosting 10% of the planet's plant and animal life, as well as 314 different ecosystems.
Here, Bachaqueros is working on recovering and studying tropical dry forest. There's a big belt of tropical dry forest around Santa Marta in the lower parts of the Sierra Nevada that is especially threatened because it has a lot of endangered tree species that people have been cutting down for the last number of generations. Most of the tree species are valuable tree species of hardwoods, and a lot of them have disappeared, alongside many of their ecosystems as well. And we plan to keep on doing this work and hopefully produce larger networks, a larger alliance of collaboration in the region that will make nature and the environment get stronger every year that passes.
Our project, centered in ANUKWE, therefore has two aims. The first being to invest in restoration and reforestation of 1,000 acres of land, leading to the capture of 5,000 tons of carbon annually and the protection of endangered native species, such as the howler monkey, the jaguar, and tapir. The second being to invite and bring together local and global leaders to connect with nature and expand their awareness of the importance of biodiversity protection and climate change mitigation.